Hello guys, a very good morning. So it's around 9:50 in the morning and today is the 4th of December. So the last month of this year has started and I am going through a little a phase of doubt in my riding calendar because right now I'm thinking whether I should trade in my iron for a Triumph Street Triple. So right now I'm just driving to the Vasant Kunj showroom of Triumph actually, and I'm going to be taking their Triumph Street Triple out for a test ride, and I'm going to be basically trying to make up my mind whether I should keep my iron or switch to the Street Triple. I've already taken a test ride earlier and I was pretty impressed with that bike. Okay guys, so finally I have the Street Triple with me. I'm taking it out for a test ride and wow, I am going to have a brilliant Sunday today. Woohoo! So I'm just gonna stop at the petrol pump and fill it up with fuel. So what the showroom guys have told me that I can use it with regular fuel and don't need to worry about the premium and the speed or whatever, which is quite good because when you're touring, those grades of fuel are not very easily available. The sound of this bike, I'll just love it. Wow. And that is on the stock exhaust. It just gives you the feeling that oh, you're on a fast machine. So I'm gonna try and do a little bit of a normal red light takeoff. I want to be careful because I'm not very fully accustomed to this bike right now. And we have a police. So right now I'm heading home to basically show this bike to my father, my wife, my mother, and basically take their opinion whether they like it also. And then I'll be taking this bike on the GFR road for a little excitement within the limits, of course, because this is not my bike. And then maybe around lunchtime I'll take my wife out as a pillion because she loves to tour with me, so she needs to also assess the pillion seat. So that is how I've planned out my entire day, and in the evening I'll be returning this bike. Okay, let's go. So that's the lineup I have today at my home. So that's the Street Triple, that's my iron, and that's my father's Street 750. So I'm just gonna start up all three bikes just for the fun. There's no logical reason to do this, but I forgot I need to hold in the clutch for the Street Triple before I start it. There is something wrong with the battery of the Street Triple. It's a demo bike and probably it has not been treated that well. So the battery is an issue in this one. I hope it's not the issue in the production or the bike that I might get. So that's one concern. This is the startup of my iron, but it's not in neutral. So it's in neutral, I think. Yep. That is the straight. A slight rev of all the bikes. Okay, so I'm just about to head out to the Throttle Cafe with my wife. She'll be just joining me in 5 minutes. Okay guys, so finally we are ready to go. My wife is sitting behind me. So let's go. पकड़ो. Hello again guys. So right now I'm just heading back to the showroom. I rode this bike for about I think 100 odd kilometers today, and about 50 kilometers of those were with my wife as pillion. So I got a pretty good feel of this motorcycle, how it behaves at low and high speeds, and what is the braking like. I think I have a pretty good idea now, and I have to say that it's a lovely bike. It, of course, comparing it to the iron, it is a completely different style, so you cannot actually say that this bike is because better, or the iron is better, because this bike is light, has a lot of power, has very good brakes, has ABS, and it is reasonably comfortable. However, the iron, it might not have the same top end, but it has very good torque, and the comfort is just I think at least 2 or 3 notches higher than the Street Triple, if not more. So right now I am still contemplating what my final decision has to be, whether I'll be switching the iron or it is going to still stay in my garage for at least 6 to 8 months more. It's a very, very tough decision. And looking at all the aspects right now, wow, whenever I hear the whine of the intake, wow, it it tips the scale in the favor of the Street Triple as soon as I accelerate a little bit. This bike is very, very responsive. Hello guys, so I've just completed my ride and I'm back at the Triumph showroom at Vasant Kunj, and well, this bike is just brilliant. I really like it and I want to get it, but I think right now I will be holding my decision to purchase this bike for about maybe 5 to 6 months, so that first of all I can get accustomed to my iron better also.